Hi, I'm Sharika Ekpo, and I'm the mother of Amari and Ayana Ekpo, a 5th and 3rd grader here at Bolton Academy. Today was a wonderful experience. We got to participate in designing the Innovation Lab. It was an extremely rewarding experience because we got to see inside of the minds of our students, teachers, and parents. So as we thought about designing the 7 zones that are here in the Innovation Lab, we really got to be creative, not only in our lighting choices, our fixtures, but also in the types of activities that we will do. I am excited for what's to come in 2025.
I like the Innovation Lab so much, but I like it even more because I love the flexible seating, the more options of the activities, and I love how you could do more than one thing at the same time.
I think it's really helpful to have comfortable furniture and seating, and I think the table is really strong and it supports all of the equipment that needs to be here for us to have a successful podcast.
Because there's a Lego station, a drone station, video game station, and podcast station back there. But the Lego station is my favorite about the new lab.
So we're very thankful and grateful for the partnership with Smith System and Steelcase and Empire. They have made our dreams come true. And so in Atlanta Public Schools, I'm very proud that they chose Bolton Academy to be a part of this research and this grant. And we really believe that they're going to find more information that's going to impact not just the lives of children in Atlanta Public Schools, but beyond the state and even through our nation. So thank you so much, Smith System, and thank you so much, the partner with Steelcase and Empire as well. Thank you.
This is so cool. I'm drawing a room scale down. I'm going to go to an area where no one can